for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2014 Nissan Juke SV in black. It has black cloth and red accent interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch, and it has a 1.6 liter turbo engine. It's a 4-cylinder manual transmission. It also has a privacy screen and it's ready for flat towing, so pay attention, snowbirds. If you'd like to take this vehicle out for a test drive, you can do that online and we'd be happy to see you. Engine speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors, and you've got these nice red accents. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located on the shifter. There's your mirror controls, traction control, and down below is your cap release as well as your hood release. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of it you've got your dash controls, hands-free dialing, as well as your cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you can toggle through the menu for different options as well. In the center you have your hazard lights. There's your AM, FM, CD, iPod, your auxiliary, clocks off to the side there, your volume and tuner, and you can go through the tracks. There's the auxiliary outlet, and down below is your climate control. You have front defrost, AC, and max AC as well, and your fan control. Down below you've got your 12 volt off to the side, manual shifter, emergency parking brakes beside the driver, couple of cup holders. You got this nice red accent in here, so it kind of adds a little zip to the vehicle. Your glove compartments off to the side. You have a manually dimming rear view mirror, and your lighting controls, you can turn that on and off. And there's a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, body color door handle, inside view mirror, high mount handles for the rear doors, and in the back you have your hatch with your windshield wiper. And as well, when you're ready to open up everything, you simply put your hand underneath the Nissan badge and it'll open right up. There is a screen that goes in the back window to give you some privacy if you have items in the back. You've got a nice roomy trunk area or hatch area, and you're seeing on the back of the seats, those are the anchors to be able to tether baby seats. And then when you want to close everything up, you simply put your hand in the right hand side, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. In the door, and you're noticing you also have that nice red accent feature. Adds a little pizzazz, and you also have power windows there. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you just pull the tabs at the back of the seat here, and then just pull the seat down. You now have access to the back hatch area, and you're seeing those anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then just flip the seat back up, watch out for your seat belt, and there you go. And you have these nice pockets on the back of the seat for slim storage, and the cup holder and bin there. Up above you have hooks and handles. Passenger side fuel cap, high mount handles in the rear, privacy glass, power mirrors, halogen headlights, and you've got those 2 tow hooks in the front, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.